Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if it's your first time here. My name is Tammy. In today's video I will be doing a bedroom makeover. So in my last move-in vlog where I assembled my bed, I have not done anything to this room, guys, to be honest with you. So I'm literally sleeping into a little empty room. The only thing that I have in this room right now is the bed that I assembled and my standing mirror. That is it. So in today's video I'm doing a little update in this bedroom. I haven't gotten everything yet for this room, but I had to do something because it was driving me crazy. Also, I'll be featuring some beautiful curtains that I received from Mistress Awesome. They gifted me these two pieces of curtains and they were perfect for my bedroom windows. So I will be showing you those later on in this video as well. So let's get into the video, guys.
Tell me what you done for me lately. Baby, I see you hanging with your friends, chilling day and night for days on end. Now you can't come see me tonight.
So I removed all my beddings and they're in the laundry right now. But this is how my bedroom looks, guys. Bare. Nothing is in my bedroom. As I told you before, I only had my standing mirror and that side table. I just put it in there just to test it, this space. But yeah, guys, I also purchased a dresser and I'm about to do that assembling. I got it from Plank+Beam or Plank+Beam. Love that website. It was a perfect match or size for my space in the bedroom because my bedroom is a little bit smaller than a normal main bedroom, I think. Yes, so it was a perfect size for me, guys. But yeah, loving this. It took me a little bit longer because it was just me alone doing it by myself. Normally it would be me and my husband or my hubby alone putting this together, but because I'm here by myself, I had to do it by myself. So it was a work. I'm not gonna lie, it was a work.
Lately. Tell me what you done. Baby, so can you take me on a date? The simple things you do to make me stay. Now it's like you don't even try. I used to wonder why, but now I'm left with no more tears to cry.
Okay, guys, I'm almost finished with the dresser. I only have the drawers to assemble and then that's it. Then I'm gonna move on to the window to put up the curtains and then hang some pictures in the room. That's it, guys. I'm so tired. It is so hard when you're doing it by yourself, but I'm gonna push through. I'm gonna get this room done by the end of the day. So I'm gonna take a break. I'm gonna get something to eat because I'm starving, and then I will come back, put the drawers together, and then we will work on I think I'm gonna do the curtain rods and stuff like that. But yeah, this is how far I'm at, guys. But the dresser is beautiful, guys. I wish it was a little bit darker, but it's okay. I think I could work with it. So let me finish up and then I come back with you guys. I'm gonna grab something to eat first.
For me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home? Tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Where's your heart and your attention? Where's the kind of love that I used to know, baby? Tell me what you done for me lately. Just text, I know it's a toss up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Ay.
So the dresser is finally finished, guys. It took me like 3 hours to assemble the dresser, but I love it, guys. I love it. The perfect color. I mean, I wish it was a little bit darker, but I think it is perfect for me. Once I get my rug and my other stuff to go with it, I think it will go perfect with everything. But I love it, guys. It is a perfect size for my bedroom. I love it, guys, and I think it is all natural wood. Yeah, but again, this is from Plank+Beam, and I love it, guys. It is so nice, perfect size for this bedroom. So it's time for my windows. So I bought these off Amazon. Hopefully they work. I bought the easy, the no screw one, so hopefully that works, because I didn't want to drill the wall. So I bought these. I buy these to just put, and then just have the thing in there, but the colors are a little off, so I don't know. I might let's see. I was gifted these two curtains from Mistress Awesome. Love these curtains, guys. When I took them out the package, guys, they were so nice. They felt so good. Even though it was linen, it was not hard. I loved it, but you could definitely know that it was a linen fabric, but it felt so good. It was so luxurious. It's soft, looks good, feels good. So Mistress Awesome is a website that you could have your curtains custom made. They also do shower curtain as well, custom made shower curtain. So you could definitely go on the website and get all your curtains custom, and you could get these at an affordable price. And they have multiple textures of curtains or materials that you could choose from. They have all that on their website as well. This curtain was a perfect match for my space, guys. Everything came out right. The measurement was right, the length, everything was perfect for my room. The only thing I missed out on was the rings. I will be changing out the rings, but that's the least, guys. But love everything about this. I will definitely leave the link down in my description box so you guys could check out the website. They are also on Amazon as well. So I did purchase these wall arts for my bathroom, guys, but I'm using them in the room right now because the room looks bare, and I wanted to do a DIY wall frame, but I haven't done it yet. So I'm using these in the meantime to do that, and then once I get my DIY wall frame up, then I'll put it up. But for right now, these are gonna stay where they're at. So for my bedside table, guys, I'm using these two side tables. I had them downstairs and I brought them up because I haven't purchased my bedside table yet, because I wanted to see how my dresser looks before I purchase one. So I'll be purchasing one shortly, or maybe if I like this, I'll just leave it as is. But for right now, they're my temporary bedside tables. But yes, guys, you could use anything for your bedside table. It's up to you.
We tried too many times. Don't misbehave. You must know me. You make me crazy. Kinda like Johnny. Don't sit down, better. Making me lose my mind. Lose my mind, 'cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. Wanna let you go, but it's like something else beside. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. me feeling blue. Something but you so see-through. Something just ain't right by you. Yeah, can I do you like I? You like I? Can I do you like I? Yellow, yellow, it hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many times. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many times. No one knew you like I. Wonder why you want me by your side, like all the time. You want my love all night. Telling me lies, baby, stop telling me lies.
I am not putting everything together, guys. I'm just trying to make my room comfortable and make it feel cozy, because it was so drab, guys. I'm telling you, like every day I walk into the room, I was like, I have to get this room together. But I was happy that my dresser came and now I could put all this stuff together, guys. I also want to buy a rug, and I might keep the side tables depending on how I feel, and if my hubby comes and like it, I'll just let it stay. But yeah, I have a few more stuff. I need to put some more paint in. I have a lot more stuff to do, but I had to, guys, I had to get this to this point because it was driving me crazy, and I like, you know what, I'm not gonna wait for everything to come in. I'll just do this one at a time, because I couldn't bear being in this naked bedroom. And thank you to Mrs. Awesome for gifting me this beautiful curtain, guys. I love these curtains. They look so good in my room, guys. Again, I'll leave the link down in my description box down below for you guys. And they're also on Amazon. I'll definitely leave the link down in my description for you as well. But these curtains are beautiful, and it matches my decor so well. So I'm happy.
Feels like the first time. Throw away all my pride. Don't wanna say I love you first, but holding it in just might make me burst. Love in the open, daydreaming, hoping, melting in our make-believe new worlds. Whispering winds bring the remembrance that you're my girl. No shame, no games. I wanna fall in love. caramel honey dipped. I'm yours till the beat flips. Don't let it slip. Give up my power. Yes, afraid to lose each other.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching my channel. I really do appreciate your support. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you all so much for watching my channel. Bye, guys.